random thought number 3. I was thinking about the monkey brain. You know, the constant chatter in the brain, the noise, the voices, and how do we work with that? How do we get it under control? Right? So what do we do? Try not to control it. Try not to ignore it. At least try to work with it. You are a teacher. So what do teachers do? You teach it. Even though you think you're not a teacher, you are. Because everything in life you have to teach yourself in order how to make choices. And if you have children, that's even more better because you are a role model for your kids. Even if you are single, you have no children, you still are a teacher in some shape or form to the people around you, to work, to, you know, situations that you do come across or associate yourself with, right? So it is the same process, same concept, but with yourself, with the noises that are just, you know, constantly actively running. So ask yourself what type of teacher you are. Are you a strict one? Are you a compassionate one? And then also, what are the benefits and the consequences of that? Are you a mean one? You know, abusive one? Because there's so many different types of characters and traits that different teachers uses to deal and handle the students that they are responsible for. And there are also different ways, method, techniques, learnings that you have to use in order to deal with different students, because each of them their own uniqueness. So how do you adapt to that? How do you adjust to nurture all of those types and levels and ways? It will be the same process that you would have to use, but within here, okay? Because different thoughts, they have their own shadows attached to it. So you will have to learn yourself on how you can nurture those, so you can deal with that. How can you handle that? How can you be there for those different thoughts, especially the ones that you selected to be as in like activated, that will then become to your awareness. Get it? You get what I mean? I hope so. Okay, so that's the thought for today.